Today's recipe is gluten-free sugar cookies. Okay, we're going to add our sugar to our gluten-free flour and our icing sugar, our baking powder, our salt. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. And we're going to mix that all together. Now we're going to add our softened butter. And we want to mix that until it's all in a sandy consistency. You can use the back of a spoon, but I like to use my hands because it makes it a bit easier. Now this takes a while. Then we're going to add our eggs and our vanilla. And we're going to mix that until it's all wet. And then we're going to use our hands again. And we're going to mix it until it becomes a dough. This takes some time, so you're going to be using your muscles. The dough will become thick and stiff. Then we're going to roll it out and we're going to add some more of our gluten-free flour onto the counter. And we'll roll it out to about 1/3 inch thick. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below, and I'll respond to all your comments. Now you can use any kind of cookie cutters you like, depending on the occasion that you're making these for. For this recipe, I'm just going to use a cup. And we're just going to cut out our cookies. We're going to place on a lined baking sheet. You can line it with parchment paper. I used a Silpat. Place them about 1 inch apart from each other. And they'll go into a 350-degree oven for about 8 minutes. Now you want to remove them before any browning happens and allow them to cool completely before transferring to a wire rack. These cookies are really great for decorating, as we did for a Mother's Day tea we had at our preschool. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.